Something is difficult this time. The moment the trailer began, fans around the world immediately felt it. This was not warmth of a miracle, not the joy of a crowd gathering to hear their teacher speak, and not the excitement of watching the disciples discover something new about the man they follow. This was something far heavier, far dark, and far more emotional than anything the series has shown us before. The chosen season 6 trailer did not simply tease the next chapter of story. It announced that the chapter we have all been quietly rereading has finally arrived. The final hours are here, and after watching even a few moments of what this trailer reveals, it becomes impossible to pretend that his season will feel anything like the ones that came. For years, fans of the chosen have known that this moment was coming from the very first season. Every miracle, every consideration, every quiet moment between Jesus and his disciples has been slowly building towards something. The series has never hidden the fact that the story it is telling does not end with celebration. It ends with betrayal, it ends with suffering, and it ends with a cross. By knowing that something is coming and actually watching it begin to unfold in front of you, you are two completely difficult experiences. That is exactly what is the season 6 trailer delivered. Not a warning that difficult moments are ahead, but the actual arrival of those moments presented in a way that made it impossible for what was being shown. The trailer opens with a tone that is immediately and unmistakable, different from anything the series has offered before. There are no large crowds gathered in sunlight. There are no moments of healing that leave people speechless with wonder. That are no discipline laughing together or asking questions that reveal how much they still have to learn. Instead, what is the trailer present is darkness, quite heavy, suffocating darkness, the kind of atmosphere that does not need words to communicate that everything has changed from the very first images. Viewers understand that the story was crossed in a line it will not be crossing back over it over that Jesus and his followers have been living in throughout the previous seasons is gone. What remains is something far more painful and far more real. What makes this trailer so extraordinary is or not simplify the content it reveals, but the emotional weight it carries in every single moment. The creators of The Chosen have always understood that his series is not just about historical events. It is about people, it is about the specific, deeply human experiences of following someone you believe in completely and then being forced to watch as the world turns against them. Season 6 will take the emotional foundation and push it further than any previous season has dared to go. The trailer makes the obviously clear every images, every shadow, every expression on the faces of the characters we have grown to love over the years. Communications, the same unbearable truth. The story is no longer building towards something painful. The painful things has already begun. Among the details that immediately catch the attention of fans was the visible shift in the characters of Jesus himself. Throughout the previous seasons, Jotan Romy has portrayed Jesus with a communication of warmth, strength, and quiet authority that has made the character feel geniusly unlike anything seen in previous adaptations of the story. There was always been a sense of people surrounding him, even in moments of conflict or confrontation. But the trailer for season 6 shows something new. The peace is still there, but beneath it something else is visible. Await knowing the kind of expression that belongs to someone who understands exactly what is coming and has chosen to talk towards it anyway. It is a performance that even in the brief glimpses provided by the trailer already feels unlike anything routine has delivered before. The disciples too appear transformed, not in the hopeful way that previous seasons have shown characters growing and changing through their experiences with Jesus. The transformation is driven entirely by fear, by confusion, by the slow and devastating realization that future they believed was waiting for them may not exist in the form they imagined. There are people who have given up everything to follow a man they believe is the message. They have left their families, their professions, and their sense of security behind. And now, as the trailer revealed the darkness that season 6 will inhabit, viewers can see on their faces and moment when faith beings to be tested in the most brutal and unforgiving way possible.